Good morning, guys. I hope we're all sparkly. I'm not being funny. I'm still feeling pretty rubbish. The cold is lingering on. My guts have been destroyed by the antibiotics, but I've still been to the gym. I've done my ice bath and I'm now at work doing some admin because nobody cares. Work harder. It's not that nobody cares. Obviously, we're fans of tough love here and taking personal responsibility and accountability to being the best version of yourself. And as we say all the time, lead by example. We're a bunch of wusses, aren't we? Because it goes back to that saying, hard times create strong men create good times create weak men. Weak men and men with low testosterone, cause or effect. The jury is out, but we need to face adversity to achieve our reward, which is health. You have to be strong. So adversity increases autophagy, increases SHBG, and the destination, the comfort, is an illusion. It's not helping you. So work. Effort equals reward. So this awful state that we're in right now, it's as a direct result of us not living according to physiology in a poisonous world that is there to distract us. We are overstimulated and oversaturated with nonsense, which means we can't critically think and we can't move forwards because we don't know which direction to take. So again, it's looking inwards and outwards. So again, what are we? We're essentially mirrors. So we want to project onto society what we want to receive back. And karma, it is what it is. You have to get on with it. So in this weird, wonderful world, we've got women wanting to be men, defying biology. So you go to the GP as a woman and say, I want to be a man. You have the psychological counseling and you get prescribed testosterone. As a male with low testosterone, you go to the GP and advising you've got low mood, you're tired, you've got brain fog, you're low libido, you can't get an erection, you're lacking muscle mass, you're getting chunky despite working hard, and you're denied testosterone. Why is that? Now, I read on an article the other day about the misogyny that happens in medicine. And the females were talking about how unfair it is. There's misogyny and there's money. It's not misogyny, it's money. You have to remember that the pharmaceutical industry is a business. You have to remember that people want to make money. So recently advertised was cotton pajamas for menopausal women, menopause friendly. They're just cotton pajamas marketed to people who might be in need of help. And we prey on the weak, don't we? Disappointingly, from a consumerism perspective, that's true. My shower gel is vegan friendly. My shower gel has vegan friendly on the bottle. Ay, what a world we live in. So if you don't have access to safe and effective care, what do you have? Well, you have a sick society. And we know that reference ranges are declining over the years. And that's not because we're devolving, or are we devolving? My word. We're definitely confused. The primary role of a human being should be survival and procreation. That's essentially what your DNA, your biology wants you to do. So we live in comfortable times and we are becoming sicker. So it's not rocket science. What should you do? Well, you should have a bit of self-imposed adversity. So I wake up every morning. My mindset is today's going to be a good day. So I decide today's going to be a good day. I do my ice bath. I do my little bits and bobs. I start with a win, because then it has a cascade effect. So much like when we talk about needing to address lifestyle, with stress and sleep being probably at the top of the list, with actually sleep being number one. Then we go nutrition number two, and then we go exercise. And as human beings, we focus on one thing, not adopting a holistic approach because we're focused. And that's partly testosterone's fault, because as we said before, testosterone has a relationship with dopamine, and we're reward driven, so we're focused. But we need to take a step back, because obviously we know that there's a chronicity to hormones, an acuteness to the nervous system, and a reactiveness to the brain. So we want to be considered in our approach. So the reality is, you must address everything. You can't have this fixed dogmatic approach to health. So if you exercise, this is likely going to improve your sleep quality, which is then going to mean you're going to wake up more refreshed and hopefully make better food choices, which is going to improve your energy levels to then allow you to exercise more. So you can see it has a cascade effect. And we want to build upon these little wins and be more considered with our approach to our health. So address everything to effect a sustainable change. And how often do you have to do that? Is it just a 12-week course of exercising and eating right and sleeping right and achieving a goal? No. So as we know, your male androgen profile works on a diurnal basis. Day, night, day, night, day, night. So every day is an opportunity to be the best version of yourself and to make the right choices and be considered in your approach to your health, taking personal responsibility and making yourself accountable to you. You can reach out for support, but beware of false idols. If something sounds too good to be true, no prizes for guessing, it's too good to be true. We're seeking normality. As boring as that sounds, it is perfect. Alan Watts, if you could dream the perfect dream night after night, eventually you would wake up and realize you are living the perfect life. So take care of yourself, guys, and do what? You guessed it. Go earn your reward.